up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to do a dry wash and go. And I know you probably like, sis, what is that? Like, how you gonna do a wash and go dry? Basically, of course you're still gonna use water because water is essential to any natural hairstyle, period. But we're not gonna use soaking wet. Like I'm gonna redo my wash and go on this hair. I'm not gonna wash it. This was an old wash and go, as y'all can see. So I'm gonna do it on this hair. And basically it's gonna be kind of like a refresher. But I've noticed when I did a dry wash and go before, which was like a couple years ago actually, it came out so popping. Like I had so much movement, so much body. Like I was like, I've been missing out. Like, what is this? So that's what I plan on doing today. And I'm just going to show y'all how I get that. So, I'm going to leave like the parting and everything pretty much the same. And I'm just going to work in 4 sections. Okay, you guys, so we got the 4 sections. So I'm just going to start with the back. And what I have is warm water in a water bottle. And I'm just going to like spray down this section. But I'm going to avoid my roots. I'm going to get like a little water on there, but I'm not trying to drench my roots. I really just want to get the hair because we know that the roots take the longest to dry anyway. So I'm just spraying and working that through this entire section. Like I'm not adding no more product right now. I'm just working this water through. And the thing is, if your hair was well moisturized before, you adding this water is really just going to reactivate that product. Okay, you guys, this is how it looks. No product added, just water. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add very little product. So little. Like that, I don't know how well y'all can see it, but I added very little. And I'm just going to work that on the ends and kind of bring it up. But that's about it. And then I'm just going to go in with gel and shingle. And just do my wash and go like I normally would in the shower. I'm using Eco Styler. And I really want to try some different gels, but every time I try something different, it doesn't give me like the hold I want. So if y'all know any suggestions of like some really good gels, make sure y'all leave that in the comments for me. And I am applying gel to the roots because I want them to lay down. So, and I will go in and detangle a little bit. Make sure I'm gentle. And shingling is basically when you take individual curls and run the product down the duration of the hair. It takes longer, but you get a lot of definition and body when you do this. Like you want it silky straight like that. Like girl, when you get it like that, you know your curls gonna be popping. You hear me? I'm just gonna scrunch it up a little bit like that. There we go. And then I'm gonna move on to the next section and do the exact same things. So reactivate with water, add a little product, and then go back in with gel and detangle.
Your eyes like the sunshine on my face. It's a good night, how it smells nice on a pillowcase. I light up love when I see you walking by. I know that life ain't perfect, but you make it alright. Oh, I see you coming. Got my heart jumping like Judas. Play me like Spartan, do it all for me. You're the vision of what I like. And I promise I'll be yours. Tell me your joys and your problems. I'll be more than a man for you. I'll be your friend.
And you guys, because this part of my hair seems to be the coarsest, I'm gonna go ahead and separate this because I really want, you know, this to be defined. Because this is like the focal point of my hair. This is what you see first anyway. So I'm gonna separate these in half and I'm gonna do one part at a time.
Feeling sweet silk on my skin. Face real, it's a great feeling. How you suck me in. And I toss to my face to the wind when I touch your hand. And I know God must have really loved me to give me a chance. Oh, I see you coming. My heart jumping like Jordan. Play me like Spartan, do it all for me. You're the vision of what I like. I promise I'll be yours. Tell me your joys and your problems. I'll be more than a man for you. I'll be your friend. Call me and I'll be harder. Tell me if you stay down. Will you stay down? Stay down. Night and day. Stay down. Call me, I'll be right away. Call me, I'll be right away.
Okay, so then finally I'm gonna go ahead and like spray a little bit of water all through the sections. Okay, and then I'm gonna make sure I scrunch everything. And I normally don't have to scrunch, but just because I did it on, you know, like not like soaking wet hair, I want to make sure everything was able to come back to life. And then I will probably air dry for a little bit and then go and diffuse the rest of the way. And I will come back to you guys with the finished product, which will probably be tomorrow because I doubt I'll get back on camera tonight and show y'all. But yeah, I will come back with the finished product tomorrow. Okay, you guys, so I know I am coming back looking like Michael Jackson with the fresh Jerry curl. But before I did anything, I just wanted to show you how it dried. Like, see all this definition? Look at that. It's crunchy. It's mad crunchy. But I'm good with that because that means that it's going to last a little longer. When my curls dry a little soft, I know a gust of wind will take the curls straight out. But, yeah, this is how it looks. And I'm going to go ahead and perfect it. Like y'all see, if you put too much product on it, you will get flaking. So that's why you saw me use very little extra product. But all I'm going to do is apply some oil and like stretch out my hair. Roll it down the duration of my hair to kind of pull that crunch out. Pick and add some edge control. So let's do this. Okay, you guys, this is the finished product. And it looks just like a normal wash and go, but it's giving you like day 2 vibes. Because you know, like day 1 normally be kind of flat. So it gives you that volume on day 1, which I like. And it's a good in-between. Like, it ain't wash day. You know, your head ain't kind of time to restyle. You don't want to put that much effort into it. So this comes out. And this bang right here is really giving me a moment. Because if y'all remember, I took the time to separate and really go in. So it is giving me a moment, okay? And these curls are just, they're here. They're present. I really like it. And I haven't did a dry wash and go in like I said, in a couple years. And it came out really bomb. So let me know if y'all ever did a dry wash and go, or is this now something that y'all will consider and put into y'all little repertoire of hairstyles. Make sure y'all let me know. But make sure you guys let me know if you like this video. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And I will catch you guys in my next upload. Peace.